Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is based on my personal experience using the tool, so your mileage may vary. Today we're diving into WestNet, found at westnet.ie. This Irish telecommunications company provides a range of services, including broadband, television, and phone options. Navigating the westnet.ie website, you'll find a clean and generally user-friendly interface. The homepage prominently features their current deals and promotions, making it easy to see what's on offer. You can explore their various packages, comparing broadband speeds, TV channel lineups, and calling plans. They offer different tiers of service, catering to a variety of needs and budgets. Whether you're a light internet user or a heavy streamer, a family looking for entertainment, or a business requiring reliable communication, WestNet appears to have options tailored for different user profiles. WestNet emphasizes its commitment to customer service, highlighting support options readily accessible on the site. You can find contact information, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides to help you resolve common issues. They also seem to provide online tools for managing your account, paying bills, and checking your usage. A key feature often promoted by WestNet is their reliable network infrastructure, claiming to deliver consistent and fast speeds throughout Ireland. They highlight their fiber optic network and its coverage area, showcasing their commitment to a robust and modern internet infrastructure. While the website is generally informative, some areas could benefit from further clarification. For instance, more detailed information on specific package inclusions and limitations would be helpful. Potential customers might also appreciate more transparent pricing information, particularly regarding any hidden fees or contractual obligations. Overall, westnet.ie provides a reasonable overview of their services, allowing users to explore their options and learn more about the company. However, a deeper dive into the finer details of each offering would enhance the user experience and help potential subscribers make informed decisions. Remember to check out the description for the link. Let me know your thoughts on WestNet in the comments below.